Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can see your screen time or where you can find your screen time. What I recommend is also adding a widget so you can find it, you can see it like all the time. Hold like your finger on like empty space on your screen, click plus here, and you're gonna see it here, screen time, and just choose it. Now, what I recommend is do that. Or what you can do is just simply go to settings and you're gonna see it fine here, screen time. Click on it. And like daily average is 3 hours, right? See all activity, and I can go week. And I can do this all the time. So this is how you can find your screen time activity in iOS 14 iPhone. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Have a great day and goodbye.